When you are looking into purchasing or selling Fort Lauderdale real estate, turn to Melissa Miller of the Melissa Miller Group at RE/MAX 5-Star Realty. Featured on HGTV, DIY, and author featured in top publications and real estate expert, Melissa and her team specialize in many types of Fort Lauderdale real estate, including luxury and oceanfront property, executive relocation, and commercial real estate. The Melissa Miller Group is your #1 source for homes for sale in South Florida. Past clients include athletes, celebrities, and corporate executives, as well as the first-time home buyer. If you are looking to relocate to South Florida, you can look forward to Concierge relocation assistance from consultation to closing. Concierge services include staging, professional photography, customized marketing, and more. You get maximum exposure for maximum results.
Hi, I'm Melissa Miller, broker associate and team leader here at the Melissa Miller Group with RE/MAX. With a combined experience of over 30 years, partnered with RE/MAX, the #1 most recognized and respected real estate company worldwide, we offer concierge service second to none. In addition to Fort Lauderdale real estate, we service all 3 counties of Southeast Florida: Palm Beach, Broward, and Miami-Dade, including the cities of Weston, Pembroke Pines, Miramar, Plantation, Sunrise, Davie, Coral Springs, and Parkland. Let our award-winning team put our experience to work for you. Whether you are looking to buy or sell a home, our goal is to make your Fort Lauderdale real estate dreams come true. Call now at 954-388-7653 for a free consultation, or visit us at melissamillergroup.com for more information.